This section introduces the project, explaining its purpose as a guide to using GitHub Issues for project management, particularly for bug reporting and defining pull requests, focusing on clear communication. This section raises the question of how to report bugs or create a scope of work for pull requests within a GitHub project, setting the stage for the following instructions. This section states that no setup is required as GitHub Issues is integrated into all GitHub repositories, making it easily accessible for all users. This section highlights GitHub Issues as the recommended tool for project management, emphasizing its efficacy. This section suggests learning to use GitHub Issues for bug reports and defining tasks for pull requests by following a series of simple steps. This section provides a detailed step-by-step guide on creating a bug report through GitHub Issues. It includes instructions on navigating to the Issues tab, writing a clear title, and providing detailed descriptions including reproduction steps, expected versus actual behavior, and more. This section outlines the process of creating a scope of work, SOW, to be referenced later in a pull request. It covers defining the work's goal, requirements, and acceptance criteria, including the importance of using checklists for tasks. This section explains referencing the created issue in your pull request description, exemplifying how to link it properly with the format hashed issue number. This section invites users to see a demonstration of creating a basic GitHub issue, illustrating the procedure. This section shows how to create a simple issue, emphasizing steps to click the New Issue button and fill out the title and description as depicted in the accompanying image. This section continues with visual guidance on filling out the fields for the title and description when creating a new GitHub issue, supported by an image. This section highlights the action of clicking the Create Issue button on the New Issue page, accompanied by an image for clarity. This section confirms that the issue is created successfully and can serve either as a bug report or a scope of work, SOW, for future reference, complemented by an illustrative image. This section notes that prominent projects like React, Next.js, Node.js, and Vite utilize GitHub Issues to track bugs and discussions, with PRs referring to these issues for transparency. This section provides a link to the official documentation on GitHub Issues, encouraging users to consult it for more information.